Hi, Tyler here. I've got some commemorative US mint coins. I heard on Reddit a while ago about people buying commemorative coins on eBay pretty close to spot price. So I wanted to find out for myself, and sure enough, I was able to find quite a few. These are commemorative program coins. They started up mostly in 1982. That's the modern era of US commemorative coins. Most years, the US mints released 2 coins, 2 silver dollars, probably gold variants as well. The ones that are not super popular and a few years old, they're selling for just over spot price. So I wanted to share 4 of those here with you. Now the cool thing about these is that, silver's silver, right? You want to find silver, you want it to be cheap. But you get some fun things with these commemorative coins. You get the nice box, you get a certificate of authenticity, talks about the coin, talks about its circulation, its weight and everything. So it kind of adds some officialness to the silver product that you have. So let me show you a few here. This one here is Jamestown. And you can probably tell there's some toning here. This one's from 2007, so it must have got some moisture in it. It's a bit more toned than some of my older ones, but it's a silver dollar. These are 90% silver, if you saw on that card. They all weigh about the same. They're about the size and weight of the Morgan silver dollar, but they all come with their own holders, so there's no need to really get a special holder for them. So the other thing I enjoy is just having some variety, right? Because the bullion coins, there's variety across the different countries that produce bullion. There's private mints that produce bullion. But here with commemorative coins, you get a new one every year. So even more variety. This is the USO. 50th anniversary of the USO. This one's missing its certificate of authenticity, but it does have the box and still says what kind of coin it is. This one here, just a blue box. This is the Thomas Edison commemorative coin from 2004. You get the whole letter there you can read if you want. And like I said, you've got that same size as a Morgan. It'll fit into a 38mm, but it's got its own holder. 90% silver. A little information about the coin. You can see it there. Thomas Edison. All of these coins too, they're the uncirculated version. I did not get any proof ones. Proof ones will have a higher premium. And since I'm more interested in buying kind of more at the spot bullion price, you'll probably always be going uncirculated. 125th anniversary. So there's always an anniversary around the corner, right? And finally, this 4th one here. Thomas Jefferson. Architect of Democracy. And there is Monticello. 1993. There's the paperwork there, the 250th anniversary. Some information about that. Same weight, same composition. And if you want to display them, you can always just flip the box around, which is kind of nice. Keep everything together. Now, what did I pay for these? Well, I'll tell you. So eBay, right? You're paying with a credit card. And sometimes you're paying for shipping, but including the cost of shipping, for each of these, I paid about $23.7980. That's per coin. And at the time when I bought these, the spot price was closer to $25, $26. It says these are 90% silver, and they're under a troy ounce. They're about 0.77 troy ounces of silver in each of these 4. And so the value of that's about $20.50. So $20.50 spot price value. Cost was $23.79. So my premium on these was about 16%. which is not great, but when you consider that you're paying with a credit card on eBay, it's actually pretty good. About the same time, I bought a Krugerrand online, and I paid $31.67. It's a 1 full ounce. And at the spot price of $26.51, I paid a 19% premium on this Krugerrand. Granted, I paid with the credit card, but I didn't pay shipping. Depending on how you look at things, yeah, I would say my premiums on these commemorative coins are sometimes better or the same as bullion. If you're interested in kind of branching out, getting some different coins than just your standard bullion, maybe you like commemoratives, like the fancy boxes, check it out on eBay. You could probably find some good ones and some deals, especially if you're not picky about a particular one. The World War I, World War II commemoratives tend to go for a bit more of a premium, but if you're not picky, you can find some silver for a pretty darn decent price. So I hope you enjoyed seeing these. I'll share more if I come across more deals. If you've had any good deals with commemoratives, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.